Cleaning and lubricating the door locks, hinges and sliding windows and some more are part of regular maintenance. Lubrication can prevent many problems that occur because of regular wear and tear, as well as preventing the buildup of rust. Rinse off dirt with Metal Clean F. This cleaner and degreaser removes oil, grease, etc. It evaporates rapidly without leaving residues or attacking materials. When you use Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube, your hinges and locks are working efficiently for miles to come. Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube works its way in and it leaves a dry lubrication film that does not drip, stain or attract any abrasives such as dirt and dust. Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube contains of a stable lubricating film with mic pole sliding particles. In general, the mic pole layer will last up to 10 times longer than other lubricants. The versatility of this oil lies in its universal use. The oil cleans, lubricates, preserves and protects against corrosion. This multi-purpose oil is user-friendly and replaces several products. Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube, the right dry lube to lubricate locks, hinges, sliding windows, garden tools and much more.